Don't tell people about your problems, because 90% don't care. And the other 10% are glad you have them. This world doesn't run on sympathy, it runs on strength. When you keep crying about your pain, nobody comes to rescue you. But when you rise in silence, the whole world turns to watch. So stop explaining yourself, stop seeking pity. Your pain is your responsibility, but so is your comeback. Turn every tear into motivation. Turn every setback into a setup for a greater return. Move in silence, grow in private, and let your success make the noise. Because real warriors don't talk about the battle, they win it. And when they return stronger, without excuses, without complaints, just results.